Declutter your home in just 5 minutes. Do you think that is impossible? Stay tuned, because in this video, I will share 10 simple yet incredibly effective tips. The 1-minute rule to keep small tasks from piling up. The magic basket to gather clutter in seconds. The 15-item method that instantly transforms a room. And even the sacred surface secret that gives you one tidy spot to be proud of. Especially at the end of the video, there will be a surprising technique that will completely change how you see housework. These tips do not require much effort. Anyone can start right away, and the results you see will amaze you. Before we dive into the main content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you find this useful, your support is the motivation for us to keep sharing more meaningful things. Thank you for being here. Let's get to the first tip. Tip 1. The 1-minute rule. There are times when we look around the house and see clutter everywhere. But if you pay attention, most of it comes from tiny things left undone. A cup left after drinking, a jacket draped over a chair, a few sheets of paper not put away. These little things are exactly what drain us. The 1-minute rule is the simplest way to stop this. The rule is clear. If something takes less than 1 minute, do it immediately. Finish your tea, rinse the cup, and put it on the rack in under 30 seconds. Take off your coat, hang it in the closet. Just 40 seconds. Spot some old newspapers. Toss them in the recycle bag. Less than a minute. These small actions make a huge difference. Instead of piling up a mountain for the weekend, you handle it bit by bit, light and easy. For older adults, this saves energy. You don't have to bend down to tackle a heap of dishes. Just wash one as you go. The body is not overworked, and the mind feels calmer. The 1-minute rule needs no complex planning and no special tools. Just remember, anything under 60 seconds, do it right away. 1 tiny minute today can save an entire hour tomorrow. Try it tonight, and you will see your home neater and your heart lighter. Tip 2. The magic basket. When your home is messy in many corners, the hardest part is not knowing where to start. The kitchen counter is crowded, the sofa piled with clothes, the floor scattered with toys. It all blends into an overwhelming mess. The magic basket is the simplest way to break through that. Prepare a light plastic basket, a tote bag with handles, or even better, a caddy with a grip. When you need a quick tidy up, just carry the basket around the room and scoop up everything out of place. Books, the TV remote, towels, toys, papers, all in the basket. In just a few minutes, the room looks much neater. Later, when you have more time and energy, you take the basket out and put each item back where it belongs. The strength of the magic basket is that it divides cleaning into 2 steps. Visual tidiness first, detailed sorting later. Once the space looks neat, your mood lifts and pressure fades. For seniors, this also saves energy. Instead of walking back and forth many times, you gather items in one go, avoiding too much movement. Just remember, the basket must be light, easy to carry, not too big to avoid heavy lifting. You can keep one basket in the living room and one in the kitchen. If guests arrive unexpectedly, you need only 2 minutes to clear up. This way you can always open the door with confidence. The magic basket doesn't make you perfect, but it gives you an easy start. And that is what truly matters for lasting tidiness. Tip 3. 15 items at a time. One reason many give up on cleaning is the sense of overload. You walk into a room and see hundreds of things out of place. Just thinking of tackling it all makes you tired before starting. The 15-item method is the cure. The rule is simple. Just pick exactly 15 out-of-place items and deal with them. No more, no less. It could be a book on the wrong shelf, slippers in the middle of the floor, a pillow fallen off a chair, papers scattered on the table. Count from 1 to 15. Each time you put something away, count one number. When you reach 15, you can stop. Or if you feel motivated, do another round. The magic is that 15 is enough to make a clear difference, yet not enough to exhaust you. For seniors, it is ideal. It doesn't demand too much time or effort. You can pick light and easy items. After a few rounds, you will be amazed that the space is brighter, pathways clear, and your mood lighter. If you do just one set of 15 a day, in a week you've handled more than 100 items. Every room will gradually become tidy without exhausting cleaning marathons. The 15-item method reminds us that big change doesn't come from giant battles, but from small, steady steps day by day. Tip 4. The 3-pile system. When decluttering, what paralyzes many is not effort but decision. You pick up an item and wonder, keep or throw away, where should it go, and stand frozen. The 3-pile system solves this indecision. The principle is to divide everything into 3 clear groups: keep, discard, and relocate. Keep are things still useful and needed in that room. Discard are broken, expired, or useless items. Relocate are things you still need but are in the wrong place, like a book in the kitchen or slippers in the living room. To apply it, prepare 3 boxes or bags with big labels. Whenever you pick something up, drop it straight into the right pile. Don't hesitate. A cracked mug straight to discard. A coat still good but too tight, into the donate box. A remote control in the bedroom, into the relocate bag. This way you cut out hesitation and replace it with decisive action. For older adults, this also saves energy. Instead of walking around many times looking for places, you sort into piles first, then deal with them all at once. The result is a quickly neat room, clear pathways, and a lighter mind. 3-pile system turns complexity into simplicity. So cleaning is no longer a battle, just 3 clear choices anyone can make. Tip 5. The visual line of sight. A room may not be completely clean, but if it looks tidy at first glance, your mood will instantly feel lighter. That is the power of the visual line of sight method. The rule is simple. Clean in the order that the human eye scans when entering a room. Eye level first, then the floor, and finally high spots. Because when you walk in, the first things you notice are tables, shelves, and the sofa. If they are messy, the room looks cluttered, no matter how clean the floor is. So start by clearing the tabletop, folding the blanket on the sofa, putting dishes away. In just minutes, the space feels brighter. Then move to the floor. Pick up slippers, dropped jackets, scattered bags. When the floor is clear, walking is safer, especially for older adults. Lastly, handle the high spots, like the top of shelves or the fridge. Since they don't affect your view immediately, you can leave them for later when you have time and energy. This method gives you an instant tidy look in just a few minutes. Enough motivation to continue. For seniors, seeing quick results is important. It creates satisfaction and prevents discouragement. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just follow the line of sight. When your eyes see clear space, your heart feels lighter. And that is the foundation for easier, long-term cleaning. Tip 6. The 2-minute timer. Often we see too many chores and end up sitting down and doing nothing. Procrastination makes the house messier. The 2-minute timer breaks this loop. Simply grab your phone or timer, set it for 2 minutes and start right away. In those 2 minutes, don't overthink. Just act. Pick up newspapers, put dirty clothes in the hamper, straighten the pillows. The short time doesn't feel heavy, but it makes a clear difference. For seniors, 2 minutes is ideal, enough to move gently, but not long enough to cause fatigue or back pain. Choose a small corner, set the timer, clean until the bell rings, stop. If you feel good, set another round, but remember to stop when tired. The biggest benefit is not how much you clean, but that you started. From hesitation, you move into action. From a small corner, you see success. And that feeling encourages you. After a week, just 1 round per day gives you more than 14 minutes of effective cleaning without stress. The 2-minute timer is the cure for procrastination and the gentle start that turns cleaning into habit. Tip 7. The sacred surface. A room doesn't need perfection. Just one tidy spot can make you feel at ease. It's the sacred surface method. The principle is simple. Choose one surface in each room and decide it will always stay clean. In the living room, it could be the coffee table. In the kitchen, a section of counter. In the bedroom, the nightstand, no matter how busy or how messy elsewhere you keep that surface neat. The reason is our minds need a safe focal point. When one surface is clean, your eyes rest there, and the sense of order spreads. This is very helpful for seniors as it reduces the pressure to clean everything at once. You no longer feel overwhelmed by the whole house. Only focus on one meaningful spot. For example, before bed, tidy the book on the nightstand. Place your glasses and water neatly. In the morning, you wake to a clean surface and begin the day calmly. Or when guests arrive, the neat coffee table lets you welcome them confidently. Over time, this habit spreads naturally to other areas. The sacred surface is the seed of tidiness, small but lasting, helping you maintain order without strain. Tip 8. A home for lost items. Every house has small things that always go missing. A pen under the pillow, a charger in the kitchen, scissors that disappear right when needed. These lost items waste time and create clutter. The Lost Items Home solves this. Simply choose a fixed spot in the house and make it their home. It can be a clear plastic box in a drawer, a tray by the sofa, or a lidded basket near the outlet. The key is easy to see, easy to reach, and matching habits, chargers by outlets, pens near desks, remotes by the TV. Whenever you find a stray item, drop it there. When you need it, you know exactly where to look. For older adults, this reduces worry and avoids extra walking or bending. No more searching the whole house, just open the box. Over time, the family also learns the spot, and finding items is no longer a frustrating adventure. The Lost Items Home turns small chaos into comfortable order, saving time and keeping peace of mind. Tip 9. 5 minutes before. Bed. A tiny habit with a big effect is spending 5 minutes before sleep to tidy up. Instead of leaving clutter until morning, use the last minutes of the day for a quick round. Start in the living room. Fold the blanket on the sofa. Put the remote back. Place cups in the sink. Then move to the kitchen. Store leftovers in the fridge. Wipe the counter. Lastly, in the bedroom, hang your clothes. Arrange the nightstand. Just this much lets you wake in a neat space and feel refreshed. For seniors, this is especially important as mornings need calm energy, not mess. You will feel more motivated to get up, stretch, or make tea peacefully. The 5-minute habit is not tiring. You only do light, familiar tasks. If too much, reduce to 3 minutes. Consistency is what matters. A little order daily adds up to a bright and breathable home. See it as a gift you give yourself. So tomorrow starts with peace. Tip 10. Double up actions. A clever way to save time and energy is doubling up actions. The idea is simple. Whenever you put away one item, grab others heading the same way. If you return a book to the shelf, take a few more along. If you carry a cup to the kitchen, take the plate and spoon too. Instead of multiple trips, you finish more in one. This is especially useful for seniors, reducing trips, saving strength, and lowering fall risk. To practice well, keep a small bag or basket handy. Each time you pass a room, pick up items that belong elsewhere and take them together. At first it feels new, but soon your brain automatically notices. You form the habit of one trip, many tasks. The benefit is not just tidiness, but control of your time. No more frustration over repeated trips. With each step you tidy and practice mindful living, doubling up actions turns cleaning into a smart and light task, making your home brighter without extra effort. We have now gone through 10 simple but effective cleaning tips, each taking just minutes, but able to change how you see housekeeping, from the 1-minute rule, the magic basket, the 15-item method, the 3-pile system, to the 2-minute timer, the sacred surface, the lost items home, the 5-minute night habit, and doubling up actions. All are small steps that together create a breathable space and a calmer mind. Cleaning is not about perfection, but about letting your home reflect who you are today. Choose one tip to try tonight and another tomorrow. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next videos as we continue the journey to live tidier and more peacefully each day.